Hello everyone. Today we have unboxing and testing of Apache helicopter from the famous manufacturer YU XIANG. Link to the store in the description. High simulation helicopter model. This model is a scaled-down version of a Apache helicopter, with a 32:1 ratio. It features highly detailed, realistic appearance, complete with cool lights and shock-absorbing landing gear. Enhanced performance and realism, the helicopter model has been upgraded with a new paint job. The tail rotor features a high-efficiency 4-blade propeller, which is quieter, more efficient, and adds to the overall realism. Advanced flight technology, equipped with a flybarless design, dual-axis co-drive motor, and an electronic stabilization system, this model offers precise control and stable flight. The lower visual optical flow positioning system ensure accurate height determination and stability during flight. Powerful and durable build, the propeller, designed on aerodynamic principles, provides strong power and self-stability. It's crafted from nylon and carbon fiber composite materials, making it highly durable, impact-resistant, and non-deformable. The brushless motors, both for self-stabilization and tail lock, are high torque, low noise, and resistant to high temperatures, ensuring long-lasting performance. Intelligent flight control and safety features. The helicopter is equipped with an intelligent flight control system featuring GPS stabilization, lower vision flight, and multiple flight modes. It includes safety features like one-key return, low-power return, out-of-control return, and an electronic fence. The high-precision remote control provides real-time feedback, enhancing the user's control and experience. Additionally, it supports open-source remote control protocols, and comes with a high-rate lithium polymer battery, balanced charger. An optional 5.8G analog image transmission for enhanced functionality.